Hi, my name is Joe Jensen from Tayco Electric and Solar. Today I want to talk about the cost of solar. So when it comes to these projects, it is a construction project. There are variables that will go into it that's going to make the cost higher or lower. So if you look at a roof, is it a steep roof or is it a flatter roof? A steeper roof will typically cost more than a flatter roof. Is it a one-story home versus a two-story or three-story? It's the guy has to walk up the ladder, so it would actually cost more money if it was higher up. Also, are we installing solar on one roof plane or multiple roof planes? And then when it goes into the materials that we use and how we install the system, are we taking shortcuts using plastic zip ties for wire management, or are we using good rail that has wire management built in with metal clips? These things are super important on the upfront investment to make sure that it lasts the life of the system. Hopefully 25 years, if not longer.